Proxess has the widest range of lockdown solutions of any system on the market, including global, local, and vicinity options, which we will now demonstrate. During the course of a day, an emergency event may arise in a classroom, something alarming may be heard in a hallway, or an emergency message may be announced over the PA or arrive as an email to a teacher's phone. In our first case, we will assume that only a local event is occurring or overheard. Each teacher must now take individual action to safeguard their students and area. This first local lockdown option is built into every Proxess lock set. Teacher 1 pushes the lockdown button on the inside of the door, setting their lock into lockdown mode. Teacher 2 has been given lockdown rights on their mobile credential for this purpose, and from any safe location in the room, pushes the lockdown button, which puts the bound lock set in its vicinity into lockdown mode. Our third lockdown method may be executed door by presenting an administrator's lockdown card, which also temporarily disables all previously valid cards from entering, safeguarding against other cards which may have been compromised during the event. In each of these cases, emergency egress is always allowed. However, Proxess provides an option to either allow the egress action to take the lock out of lockdown mode, or require a lockdown release credential to be used to take the lock out of lockdown mode. Our fourth lockdown function uses the global lockdown button in the Proxess software, which can be initiated by any local or remote system administrator. The software-initiated lockdown sends this message to the affected readers and lock sets, immediately traveling through the wired or Wi-Fi network to the online Bluetooth bridges and controllers in which they are assigned. The bridges then relay the command using Bluetooth to their connected lock sets and readers, placing them into lockdown mode. Also, clicking the global lockdown button in the software or clicking the lockdown button in a mobile credential can trigger a notification to teachers to lock down their classrooms. Unique in the security industry, Proxess can meet your needs for all manners of global, vicinity, and local lockdowns. Proxess, a wireless access control revolution.